What's going on? What's going on, everybody? It is I, Christopher, with Passive with Christopher, and I'd like to welcome you to today's update. It is September 26, 2022, and today is Monday. Yes, it is Monday. Now, we're going to do some updates, ladies and gentlemen, that I actually need to talk about to let you know what's going on, what I am doing, what's going on in the Forex and crypto market from last week, ladies and gentlemen, because we haven't done an update, and we're doing this update on automated capital and ENVIfx, right? Automated capital and ENVIfx. So it's been a minute since we did that update, since the 25th, and we're going to do an update. So, but before we get deep dive into everything, let's do that disclaimer, okay? Number one, I'm not a financial advisor. Number two, this is not financial advice. You don't want to count me as your financial advisor. You see, I'm just a father here on Passive with Christopher, this YouTube channel, who enjoys passive income and sharing my journey with others to show others how I live a passive income life through passive and non-passive opportunities. Now, understand everything you hear on this channel is for educational purposes only. You must do your own research. You must do your own due diligence before you decide to jump into any platform, because in everything we do, there is risk. Alrighty, let's get some maintenance out of the way, ladies and gentlemen, before we get into our topic. As you know, this is my YouTube channel, and if you came here through this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If this is the first time you are here, it gives you updates on everything we do here at Passive with Christopher. And after you listen to this video, if you got something from it, like this video. It helps the channel out very much so. Also, if you know someone that can use this information, and it's up to you, just hit that share button and share this on out. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So as we go through this, here we go. Topic of the day: automated capital and ENVIfx. It's been an interesting, last week was very interesting. They're in a drawdown, ladies and gentlemen, and if you don't know what a drawdown is the market was hit last week, and it had some issues last week. So ENVIfx has something that protects your account, protects the account, so they don't lose all the money in the trades. All right, it's called the drawdown. And what happens in the drawdown is they start actually cutting off the losing trades. All right, they start cutting off the losing trades, and this actually started the 22nd. Let me show you what our was the gains was for that day. Now, I want you to understand, this is not for today. This is for September 22nd on, because from September 22nd on, they were in a drawdown. So there was no trades taken during this time. Okay, so we won't get an update of gains and losses, all right, for that time after the 22nd. So on the 22nd, or the 22nd, they had a negative 5.11%, right? And for last week, we're down 7.5%, ladies and gentlemen. That's why on the 22nd they started to do in a drawdown, because the market started to come down and started to crash. All right, I'm not going to say crash. It just, the market started to come down, so trades were losing. But the good thing is, depending on when you got in, right? Depending on when you got in, you're still up for the month 13%, 13.23%. So in a way, that's a good thing, because we already know where we are. Okay, we already know there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. All right, this last week happened to be one of those weeks where we're down. All right, so I'm in this Telegram group, and I'm just going to read off some stuff that the company has actually said in the Telegram group. All right, so it says, first things first, we would like to apologize to all investors within Automated Capital, because what happened today, which means the 22nd, is unacceptable. It takes time, but those who still believe in our system, for us to recover from this hit today, like I was telling you, it was a hit. Equity Protector is set at 30%. That means they can take a 30% loss, and then they start going into drawdown. Once hit, it'll take out the worst trades to lower the drawdown. Unfortunately, our EP got hit multiple times. Okay, EP stands for Equity Protector. It got hit multiple times this morning, so it kept closing out more and more trades, while drawdown was getting hit at 30% and was hit multiple times. Right, so this is what they're doing to protect your account. So it says the following below is our plan of action moving forward. So all you guys that's in Automated Capital or ENVIfx, this is the plan going forward, right? And I love to see when a company comes out and lets you know specifically what they're going to do to bring your account back up from this hit, right? So it says, talking to our programmers and following changes will apply for the future for Automated Capital moving forward. We will be lowering all trades to much lower risk. Less trading, less drawdown, right? So that's true. The less you trade, the less you lose, right? If Equity Protector gets hit, it's done trading for the day completely. So they're saying is, if it goes into Equity Protector and the Equity Protector gets hit, trades are done for the day, and we'll close all trades. This will avoid and more losses like what happened on the 22nd. We will be lowering our Equity Protector to 20% with lower risk trades, and a number of trades means lower drawdown, like I was just telling you. All right, they're going to take less trades as less drawdown. Until further notice, we are removing UUSD and GPUSD. All right, those are the trades that they're taking. So since these are the ones that have an issue with the drawdown, right, they're taking them out the system. So that's another good thing. So the EU has been running, right? The EU has been running great profits. This is true. We've been making some good profits, and we'll continue to run EURUSD, only with lower risk. No fees will be taken out for a while, performance and management fees, because they do charge a performance and management fee. So now they're not going to be taking out any fees. So this is going to be complete profit for anyone that's in with ENVIfx and has Automated Capital. All right. If you're wanting to fully close or withdraw your account on Sunday, of course, it'll be approved. We would never deny any request. And this is true, ladies and gentlemen. Automated Capital, anytime you want on a Sunday, all right, you can withdraw your full funds. All right, you can close your account and you can take what you have and you can go. All right. So we do know this about Automated Capital, and that happens on every Sunday. Even though today's Monday, yes, you can close it now, but you would have to wait till Sunday to get your funds. All right, to get your funds, because everything is in the market Monday through Friday. So we know what they're going to do. Automated Capital is going to do with ENVIfx. We know what they're going to do to help alleviate the strain that happened next week. Now, as you know, as of this video, it's about noon p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You know they come out with their gains and profits um, their gains and profit. Sorry, I had a brain freeze. Their gains and profit announcements after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll probably come back on either later tonight or tomorrow morning to give you an update on the gains and losses that we had for today. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to understand that you only want to invest, right, no more than you could lose. All right, because this space that we're in is volatile. All right, and as you saw last week, that's the volatility. The nice thing is, depending on when you got in with ENVIfx and Automated Capital, you're still in the profit, right? And the one good thing about Automated Capital is they wanted to protect your account. They want to protect their account. So they're putting things in place to do that, right? And like I said, whenever they come out with updates or anything like that, I will always bring those updates to you. All right, so they opened up the market. They opened up to the market today, so we'll see those updates and everything later on today, and we can see if the drawdown worked and see if we up for at least today. All right, number one, this is Christopher with Passive with Christopher. I wanted to bring you that update because I haven't brought you an update about what's going on with ENVIfx and Automated Capital. In a minute, you understand that they were in a drawdown. You know, we still up, even though we had some losses for last week, and they're putting things in place to protect everyone's account. That's why I like ENVIfx. Now, it's my top 5 program that I have here at Passive with Christopher. If you're interested in getting to know more about ENVIfx, you can go and check out my full video that I have on my channel here at Passive with Christopher. And if you're here and somebody sent you here from another person, from another video, and you want to sign up with ENVIfx, you can go ahead and go back to them who sent you here and get their link. All right, now if you're just coming here for education, that's cool too as well. And if you're not, you can just click the link in the description and you can get started with that link in the description, ladies and gentlemen. All right, once again, this is Christopher with Passive with Christopher. We did that update for ENVIfx and Automated Capital on September 26, 2022. I like to let you know, as always, ladies and gentlemen, only invest what you're willing to lose. Never invest the kids' college fund. Never invest your rent or mortgage money. Never invest your food money. Only invest the money you're willing to play with. Only invest what you're willing to take to a casino. Because we already know you're going to go to a casino. We're only going to take the money that we're okay to lose, because at a casino you can win big and you could lose big, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, put your 2FA Google Authenticator protection on everything you own, because in this space there is hackers, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a possibility you can get hacked, and I don't want anyone coming to my channel getting hacked. So load up on that Google Authenticator at any time. You can put it on all your programs. Once again, this is Christopher with Passive with Christopher. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to wish you an awesome day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys take care, and I'll see you soon.